Welcome to Module 2 of our course, Creating and Managing an IHL Clinic. I'm Timeela Manandhar, a research associate at the Institute for International Law of Peace and Armed Conflict at Ruhr University Bochum in Germany, and an assistant director to the Bochum IHL Clinic. In the previous video lecture, my colleague Laura provided you with an overview of managing an IHL legal clinic. Now, let's delve into attracting and engaging with cooperation partners, a crucial aspect of clinic management. The success of an IHL clinic relies heavily on its partnerships outside the university. While many legal clinics, like refugee law clinics, are working together with individuals in need of legal advice, when it comes to IHL clinics, suitable cooperation partners generally are state actors, humanitarian organizations, National Red Cross or Red Crescent societies, ICRC staff, and NGOs. Attracting and working with organizations therefore differs from other clinics. Let's begin by exploring strategies for attracting and selecting cooperation partners for your IHL legal clinic. Visibility and outreach are key. One strategy can be to utilize university events, such as public lectures or symposiums, to showcase your clinic. Inviting practitioners or academic colleagues to speak on relevant IHL topics or their experience with IHL clinics not only raises awareness, but also demonstrates the clinic's relevance within the academic community. Additionally, engaging with key stakeholders outside academia is essential. Reach out to state actors, humanitarian organizations, National Red Cross or Red Crescent societies, the ICRC staff, or NGOs to establish connections and potential partnerships. Think about writing a short document introducing your IHL clinic, explaining the concept of clinical legal education and highlighting the benefits for cooperation partners. Attach this document when reaching out to potential partners. We can also highly recommend building on existing contacts you might have with partners outside of academia. Contacting someone specific you have already worked with in a different context often results in more immediate interest. Finally, you could also reach out to colleagues that already have an IHL clinic running about potential collaborations and cooperation partner contacts. We are always eager to assist you in setting up new IHL clinics. Lastly, establishing an online presence throughout a dedicated website or integration into the university site can further attract attention and potential partners. Once you have completed initial clinic projects, gathering testimonials from students and cooperation partners can be invaluable for attracting new partnerships and funding opportunities. Now, let's discuss the thematic focus and duration of clinic projects. Cooperation partners play a crucial role in shaping research projects assigned to an IHL clinic. In our experience, approximately 70% of IHL clinic projects will likely focus on international humanitarian law, with the remainder covering international human rights law or international criminal law. This distribution often reflects the interests and priorities of the partners involved. In our experience, any project related to international humanitarian law, human rights law, international criminal law, or refugee law would serve as an excellent kick-off project for your IHL clinic. Since all of these fields of law are interconnected, there will typically be some reference to IHL-related issues, thereby maintaining the link to IHL. Regarding project duration, flexibility is key. Projects can range from 4 to 6 weeks to 4 or even 12 months, depending on factors such as the clinic structure, the infrastructure of the respective law faculty, especially the normal duration of such a course, and partner organizations' needs. You need to, however, find a time frame where the respective assignment can be dealt with in a sufficient manner in order to undertake in-depth legal research and prepare a legal report or memo, especially when the students have to balance their clinical work with other academic course obligations. The key is to make finishing the project realistic. Short-term and long-term clinic projects each present their own challenges. For instance, the IHL clinic in Bochum was 1 year conducted in a concentrated 6-week format, which created a period of concentrated, effective work. However, it also provided less time for students to familiarize themselves with the assignment's general problem. Project supervisors were also under time pressure to provide feedback. When time is limited, adjusting project scopes or increasing student team sizes may be necessary to ensure quality outcomes. This may introduce challenges such as students not taking sufficient responsibility, a topic explored further in the next chapter. For more extensive research projects, the typical clinic project duration may be insufficient. In that case, alternative options can be considered. In our experience, the following options exist. When research projects have a broader focus and scope, they are at times allocated to a single IHL clinic team, which will undertake research for longer periods of time, for example 10 to 12 months. The reason you may choose to avoid this model, however, at least at the beginning of setting up an IHL clinic, is that it significantly increases the workload for the students participating in the clinic and for the clinic staff. In addition, criticism may arise at the faculty level that the IHL clinic does not allow the students participating in the clinic to keep up with the workload under the respective academic program they are pursuing. For this reason, such extensive research projects can be split into 2 phases and, for example, be carried out by 2 separate clinic teams during the fall and spring semesters, respectively. The latter approach creates the following benefits. In the first place, a more equitable workload for students participating in the clinic is anticipated. Moreover, by allocating the research project to 2 different teams, more students have the opportunity to participate in your clinic project and benefit from the training and professional development in the area of IHL. In addition, the contribution of more IHL clinic teams to a research project ensures a better representation of ideas and perspectives, which can positively impact the result of the research project. Once a cooperation partner has confirmed its interest in assigning a research project to the IHL clinic, establishing and maintaining communication with cooperation partners is vital for the success of your IHL clinic projects. Regular meetings with partners throughout the project period are encouraged. These meetings help clarify research objectives, discuss expectations, and ensure alignment between the clinic and partner organization. For example, the cooperation partner's ideas may require additional refining or clarifications so that the project assignment is crystal clear and properly delimited once given to the students. It is particularly recommended to engage in discussions about the project, especially when an IHL clinic assignment is not formulated by a legal team of the humanitarian partner. This is necessary in order to identify the legal questions that will guide the research of the students. Clear communication during this stage sets the foundation for a successful partnership. Once the research project has officially started, we highly advise you to set up a meeting between the cooperation partner and the students. While this might not always be possible due to time restraints of the partner, it does provide an excellent opportunity for the cooperation partner to communicate the rationale behind the research project and explain how the students' research will be put into use. In our experience, meeting the partner enhances the motivation of students as they realize that they are assigned to a real-world client and achieve concrete objectives through their research. Former IHL clinic students acknowledge that after meeting the cooperation partner, they feel accountable to deliver the project results. Unlike regular classwork, where failure to keep up to standard only affects their own academic performance, within the clinic, failure to deliver research of high quality on time may affect the cooperation partner's ability to achieve certain results relevant to its mandate. Throughout the research period, providing regular updates to partners on project progress is essential. Transparency and accountability demonstrate professionalism and commitment to delivering high-quality results. Finally, Once the research project is finalized, the cooperation partner is presented with the project outcome. Ideally, the students present their research results and conclusions in the presence of the cooperation partner, either in person or virtual. Sometimes this might not be possible, and the cooperation partner asks you to send the results in writing. However, we recommend some kind of debrief meeting. In the best case scenario, the partner organization of the clinic is impressed with the knowledge and professionalism of the IHL clinic teams and will recommend the IHL clinic to other colleagues of theirs in need of research and legal assistance. This opens doors for future collaboration opportunities and ensures a constant flow of new IHL clinic projects also for future academic years. In this video lecture, we have explored strategies for attracting cooperation partners to your IHL legal clinic. Specifically, you have learned key strategies for increasing visibility and outreach to attract potential partners, the influence of cooperation partners on the thematic focus and duration of clinic projects, and the importance of regular communication and meetings with cooperation partners throughout the project period. In the next module, we delve deeper into successfully running an IHL clinic project. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next module.